All right, we're going to do box number 2, 2007 Upper Deck Future Stars. Last box yielded a John Knott rookie autograph. Let's see what we get in this box here. All right, here we go. All right, start out with Albert Pujols, Prince Fielder, Alex Rodriguez, and Barry Zito. We're going to try to get through some packs here first before we Eric Chavez, Stephen Drew, Derek Lee, Roy Halladay. Okay, we got an insert in there. Adrian Gonzalez, Ian Kinsler, Aaron Harang, Carlos Lee. Juan Pierre, Garrett Atkins, Ken Griffey Jr., Andrew Jones, Kurt Schilling, Ryan Zimmerman, Jimmy Rollins, and Lance Berkman. Okay. Johnny Damon, Matt Cain, Carl Crawford, Joe Mauer, Troy Gloss, Jake Peavy, Chase Utley, and Maglio Ordonez. Okay, Scott Rowland, Ben Sheets, Alex Rodriguez, Barry Zito, Miguel Cabrera, Jim Thome, Matt Holliday, and Jared Weaver. Connor Jackson, Justin Verlander, Vernon Wells, Manny Ramirez, Alfonso Soriano, Brandon Webb, Derek Jeter, and Ray Durham. Three here. Carlos Beltran, Vladimir Guerrero, Felix Hernandez, John Garland, David Ortiz, CC Sabathia, Dontrelle Willis, Chris Duncan, Richie Sexton, Konerko, Furcal, and Bobby Abreu. Haven't seen any parallels yet either. They have red parallels and gold parallels. All right. Miguel Tejada, Travis Hafner, Jason Bay, Torrey Hunter, Zach Dukes, Michael Young, Roy Oswalt, Adam Dunn, Albert Pujols, Prince Fielder, Todd Helton, Nick Markakis, Nick Swisher, Jose Reyes, David Wright, and Victor Martinez. Oh, that's an interesting one right there. Chris Carpenter, Ryan Howard, Justin Morneau, Aramis Ramirez. Got a Travis Hafner with no gold. It's just got the imprint. It's probably just an error. I don't see anything else that differentiates it from anything else. Some of the gold on the position is missing, but as with most of the cards, it looks like. That's Travis Hafner, Zach Duke, Derek Jeter, Ray Durham, Nick Swisher, Jose Reyes, again with the no gold, and Holiday and Jared Weaver. All right, then we had 3 packs that had inserts in them, and we will take the inserts, bring them around back. All right, Howie Kendrick, Josh Beckett, Mike Piazza, Ivan Rodriguez, Miguel Tejada, Vernon Wells, Manny Ramirez, and Carlos Zambrano. And we have a Miguel Montero, rookie prospects, numbered to 500, 275 of 500. Then we have rookie debuts, Kevin Kuzminoff. That's numbered to 999. And then we have our autograph is Jamie Vermilia. Clear Path to Greatness. And that is box number 2. All right, thanks for watching.